Welcome back to the 2011 Olympia here at Las Vegas Exhibition Center. It's crazy, it's been heating up all day, so busy, and we have managed to steal 5 minutes with Ben Pac-Man Bukowski. How you doing, Ben?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Good stuff. Now, I know that you are really in demand today, so thanks for coming over. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes just to catch up with you. Obviously, you're in great shape, your training's obviously going really well, and just sort of get a bit of a line on how your training's been going recently.
For many of you that don't know, I've actually just made a move over into Tampa. I've been training at Powerhouse downtown Tampa, which is an amazing gym. I've got a couple great training partners. Really been pushing the limit. They've actually, one guy's been training for the Olympia. Another guy just did a pro qualifier, national level show, and awesome training partners. One guy's actually an ex-NFLer. The intensity has been amazing. The three of us really thrive off of each other and push each other to the limit. So the growth has been there. Traveling a lot, so the weekends tend to be a little thrown off as far as nutrition and training, but during the week the training's been amazing. Actually, as soon as I get back after this Olympia, I'm ready to prep for the Flex Pro and the Arnold in the spring. I've got about 6 months, so I like to go 3 months hard off season and 3 months pre-contest. So growing straight into the show, man, doing my thing.
Fantastic. Well, I mean, it definitely seems like it's paying off. So one of the things that I always ask someone in your position, you're obviously competing at the peak physical performance. A lot of the guys and girls out there, they don't know anywhere near what that's like. They're starting out and, you know, they're just getting to the gym for the first time. What advice would you give them to sort of start out with?
It's just consistency for me, you know. I mean, the thing I try to explain to people is when you're trying to get the most out of your body, you have to put the most into your body and you know, rest and recover. And it's hard, you know, because you're on the road a lot, especially at our level. You're traveling, your hydration's off. If you're not taking the optimal amount of water, optimal amount of nutrients, it gets really difficult to really demand the most of your body. So always be aware of when you're trying to get the most out of your body, make sure you're really conscious of what you're putting in. You only want to put the best quality nutrients in if you're trying to get the best quality out, right? You wouldn't try to run a Ferrari on, you know, cheap gas. So
absolutely. I mean, some of the most basic stuff about hydration and nutrition, a lot of people don't realize it. Another thing you touched on there was your mental state as well. You're in a good gym, a good environment. Yep. How important is that to actually reach your goals?
I really believe that a gym is what you make of it. So every time I ensure that every time I step in that gym, I'm in the right mental mindset. I won't go if I'm not in the right set. So I'm almost like I'm training my body. So as soon as I walk into that gym, it's ready to go. So the second I started training at this gym, which was only about 2 months ago, I made it a point that every time I went to that gym, it was the right mindset, it was the right mentality, an intense workout was going to happen. So I never went in there to socialize, drag my ass, talk to people I don't know, you know, talk about anything other than bodybuilding. So I kind of set my mind up, so as soon as I go in there, it's in that tunnel vision, and you have to position yourself that way, right? If I have my cardio gym where I kind of go do my cardio and I socialize and train my abs, and it's more of a social workout. You know, you're kind of hanging out, relaxing. Then you got the other one where you're like, I'm going balls out, I'm going hard for this one. So that's the way I position it at Tampa Powerhouse.
Okay. That's really insightful. Ben, thanks so much for your time.
My pleasure.
Obviously, best of luck with the training. Really hope to catch up with you again soon when you get near the competition.
Thanks so much.
That's Ben Bukowski at the QNT stand. Take care.
Better check the sound, cause I break these boys and